What's good, YouTube? It is your boy, Mr. Entertainment, bringing you this entertainment before you even knew entertainment, y'all. Now, today we got a special box in the mail today. As you guys already seen in the thumbnail, you're probably like, what in the world? Now, for this box right here, I had to mess with Yeezy supply. I will tell you this. Let me tell you guys a story real quick. I go to the beach a few times a year, during the summertime. Every time I go, I don't have nothing to wear to like the pool or to the beach. I always got something crazy on, like some wave runners or something. Like I'm always wearing something that doesn't belong at the beach or at the pool. You know what I mean? I don't have any sandals or slides or whatever you may call it. So when I seen these pop up, I'm like, yo, let me try it out. It's $55. Like, what harm can be done? You know what I mean? So we got the box right here. Let me hit y'all with the Jacques Slade. Yeah, man. Got my trusty, dusty knife right here. Shout out to my grandmother-in-law. I think she gave me this for like Christmas. But yeah, got the trusty knife right here. We're gonna open this box together because here's the thing. I've been looking at reviews on these slides, right? And everyone says, man, I wish I would have went up half a size. I wish I would have went up half a size. And I'm like, man, because I did order my true to size. So I hope I'm not disappointed because you know with Yeezy supply, you cannot return anything. So it is what it is. But I got my man said he'll buy these from me if they don't fit, and he's out there, Request Boutique, my man Omar. He said, he'll hook me up, he'll buy them from me retail, so whatever. All right, so let's not show the address. Open the box up, and what do we have here? The Yeezy slides. I went with a size 12 and I went with the bone white colorway. Now, that's just my color. Like, I like that cream like color to it. So, you know what I mean? It is what it is. So without further ado, let's open this box up together, y'all, and check these things out. They could look this super hideous. And if that's the case, we're just gonna have to get rid of them. Like, whatever. Comes just like a regular Yeezy. And here we go. Here we have it. I'll take the other one out. I don't do too many unboxings. All right, so let's look at this thing. So off the rip, while I'm looking at it, it looks small, but I think it looks dope. Like, I like the way it looks. I definitely like the way it looks. I'm gonna try these on real quick. I'm definitely gonna try these on real quick, and you know what? I'm gonna bring you guys along with me for the journey. Let's see how these things fit. Y'all ready? Let's check them out. All right, y'all, let's do it. We're gonna 1 foot this. Let's put this one take. It's not bad. I can see what they're saying. So pretty much around this area right here is where you would feel a little bit of a, tug or whatever. But I think overall they may just have some wearing in to do. Like maybe you have to wear them in. So I would personally say go true to size. I would say go true to size. Yeah. These are dope. I like them. I'm not disappointed. I like the way they look and everything. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Yeah, man. So overall, I don't think they're bad. They may have a break-in period. You know what I mean? They may do have a break-in period. Now I will say it's real soft on the inside right here. Real super soft. It's just once you get in here, like the inside, you can feel it kind of hugging on the feet. And it may have a different feel with socks. You know what I mean? It may come off different with socks, but I didn't wear it with socks because you don't wear socks to the pool. You know what I mean? You put your slides on and you go have a great day, pretty much. So, you know what I mean? They're not too bad. Y'all seen plenty of reviews on these. Y'all know it has the Adidas branding right here. It says Yeezy up there on the inside or whatever. It's got this funky sole to it, which is dope. I like it. I like it. It's nice and bulky and gives off like this this Japanese type feel, or it's something like when we fell in love with the dad shoes because of how bulky and fire they looked. Like, these are dope. I like them. I like them. You know what I mean? Let me know if you guys, listen, I'm gonna tell you guys, I would order these if you're a fan of Yeezy. I would order, it's $55. If for anything, you could wear them around the house. If anything, you could just wear them around the crib. You know what I mean? Like I told y'all, I'm wearing these to the pool or whatever. Come here, son, you wanna say hi to the YouTube? Hello, YouTube. You like these? Yeah. They dope? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm not mad at them. I'm not mad at them. These are fire. Let's take this video out, man. Let's take it down. Let's close it out. You eating your candy cane? Mm-hmm. This is my boy. This is my one and only son right here.
And I did another video with you.
You did? Which one?
The zebras.
Ah, that boy remembers. You vibe. Good memory. Give me a kiss. I love you.
Make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications.
Yeah, man, because it's your boy, Mr. Entertainment, bringing you this entertainment before you even knew what entertainment, y'all. Peace.